Hi.
And I told her, hey,
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Yo, what is good, everyone? And welcome back to another video. As you guys just saw in the title, you guys know what this video is about. I'm going to try to be eating a whole box of waffles. Don't know how it's going to go. It can go bad, it can go good. I know I can probably put like the first 3 down easy. Those were easy for me, but then the rest, they're going to start getting harder and harder, so we're going to see how it goes. I'm going to be filming that for you guys. Hopefully I don't throw up. But first, yeah. Guys, you smashed that last video. You guys almost went to like 220 views or more. Like, that's crazy, man. I was asking for 100 and you guys went double that, went to like 230. So I respect that for you guys. Oh man, like that's crazy. And if you guys haven't seen that video yet, the link is in the description and you could just, you know, go check it out after this, watch this video. And make sure to like it, make sure to watch it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. We got like 56 now. We were at like 51 before. So like 5 more people subscribed. That's awesome. Keep subscribing. So yeah, first thing, we putting like a hoodie on and everything, getting warmed up, and go downstairs on my treadmill and burn all my food out right now. So my stomach is empty. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Make sure I sweat and everything. And yeah, you guys will see that montage quick. Here, pop, pop. Alrighty guys, a whole pack of waffles. There's 8 of them right here. So yeah, we're gonna start the timer. Here goes nothing.
Fold it up, we gon' burn it down.
That's 3.
gon' burn it down. Gon' fold it up, we gon' burn it down. Gon' fold it up, we gon' burn it down. Gon' fold it up, we gon' burn it down. Gon' burn it down, gon' burn it down, gon' burn it down, gon' burn it down, gon' burn, gon' burn, gon' burn, gon' burn, gon' fold it up, we gon' burn it down.
I'm gonna eat these two together like a sandwich. KO. So guys, that is it for the video. As you guys just saw, I just KO'd that whole damn plate. Whole box of waffles right here. Gonna have to meet the washroom soon. You know I'm already getting cramps and shit, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys I made you guys laugh. Hit at least 100 views on this video and I'll be so happy, man. I really appreciate you guys hitting 200 on the last one. Drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel. More content coming soon. If you guys have any ideas, DM me or snap me them or say it in the comment section below. And yeah, bro. I'm probably gonna be doing a Zoom video, going into a Zoom class and just messing around with some teachers on Tuesday. And yeah, have a good one, guys. And sorry I forgot to mention, if you guys do have any Zoom codes for me, send them in. My boy Scotty, he sent me some. I'll put his link in his Instagram in the description, and his Instagram is right here. So go follow that right now. Shout out to him for giving me his Zoom codes. And if you guys have some more of them for like online classes, send them to me right now. And yeah, peace out.